Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change your name on Threads. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. You will have follow requests if you set up your account as a private account. When we open up the app and go to our profile, I can click here on my followers list. But I can't see the follow requests in here. I can only see my followers and who I am following. What we want to do is to tap on this little heart icon and you'll see a list of your follow requests. Unfortunately, I do not have any follow request right now. But all the accounts that have requested to follow you on the new Threads app will be shown here. You have two options. You can hide the request if you don't want them to follow you, or you can simply confirm and then they will become your followers. Then they will be able to see what you post. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.